And you're gonna plant your hands. So your wrists are right underneath your hands. Okay, your wrists are right underneath your shoulders. If you have very sensitive wrists, or they're not that flexible, you can come into monkey's fist and come onto your fists instead. Just make sure that your wrists are in alignment with your shoulders. You're sitting there again. If your hands are flat, make sure your fingers are spread wide. And then I want you to notice, sometimes when we come into cat, we feel like we are in a neutral position, like I feel like I am now. But in this position, you'll notice that there's still a bend in my back. So what you want to do is tuck that tailbone under. So you're going to pull your tailbone under, and that's going to allow you to flatten the lower half of your back. And that's going to create a nice, long, straight spine. And while we're sitting here and I'm talking, even though this pose doesn't feel like you're doing a lot, sitting in it long enough, you'll start to feel definitely a little burn happening. So we're just going to practice going from a nice flat back to a rounded spine. So you're going to press into those arms, and you're going to really tuck that tailbone under. Like you're trying to get your hips towards your elbows almost, really tucking that tailbone. And you're going to bring your chin to your chest. Then you're going to release, and you're going to arch the spine. So you're going to lift your tailbone up to the sky now, and you're going to lift your head all the way up, and you're going to pull your shoulders together. And then you're going to tuck your tailbone, round, separate the shoulder blades, chin to chest. And you're going to inhale, drop the belly, pull the shoulder blades together, head comes up last. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, round the spine, head comes to the neck, or head comes to your chest. Drop the belly, lift the head up, and you're just going to keep continuing on your own. Just doing some salutations to cat. Always rounding and exhaling, arching and inhaling. And remember, you're always starting the motion at the base of your spine and ending at your head, no matter which way you're going. We're just warming up the spine, using our arms a little,